Okay, here we go. First, I want to say hello, Jason, and thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Again, my name is Jeff. My company is Belanger Solutions, and the point of the video is to show you how to increase the value of your company. I'll go over three key factors you need to rank your business, one being content, backlinks, and citation. You can have the most beautiful website on Google, but without the right content and keyword, it simply will not rank and get you the added exposure you're looking for. Many companies build beautiful websites but fall short when it comes to the content or the SEO. So understand that every time you type something into Google, as you are typing it, you are actually typing keywords that Google uses to look for what you're asking from a website that best fits the search for the words you just typed. Search engine optimization. See, Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to the keyword or word you just typed, and then they categorize those websites, and that's how you establish rank. Now, you want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and the number of keywords that are needed. Now, here I looked for auto repair done. Of course, it pops up with the map pack. This is important. This is how sites with citations get loaded in. And then everything else under there starts to generate the organic list. And when you're looking for competitors and why they rank, you want to understand how they rank and what puts them on this map or in this particular area of the page. I mean, let's be honest, most people don't scroll past the first page of Google. So what I was having an issue with is your phone number links to this address in California, but clearly you're in Dunn. So that's not making any sense to me. And then when I type in Falls Village Green Exxon, it says site not found. So without the right backlinks, referring domains, organic keywords, backlinks is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement for your website from another, and Google uses that to build trust. You can see citations, referring domains. This is where your business name comes in, address, name, number, and they use that to rank and put you on the maps for that. It can also, it shows up in Yelp, Angie, Better Business Bureau, Yellow PBB. I'm sorry, Yellow Pages. How many times have you looked on Google, restaurant near me, and you get the map? That's why with the referring domains or the citations, and then you have obviously the keywords. So when you're doing auto repair done, that's a keyword. Done pops up, and these websites are in here. Blacks, they're very strong. Facebook ads, but you are not in here. We cannot find you, or you are going to California. So I just wanted to take some time here, give a quick overview, and once the content, if you decide to build a website, once your content and your backlinks and your citations all come together, and you start to outrank the competitors and get you on Google and increase your value, you'll quickly see more business, more traffic, and that'll increase revenue. So with that being said, I just wanted to thank you for your time. I think you may have an issue here. I was trying to be helpful with that. I don't understand what's going on. Maybe you're not aware of the situation. Um, but if you find yourself wanting some more information or you want to talk, and maybe I can see what is realistic for you or what you would like to do, I would super appreciate it. And thank you for your time and have a nice day.